Hello candidates, I wanted to wish you all the best for prelims examination, which is going to happen on Sunday. I do not have any tips per se, but I do have few suggestions. So one day before exam, for example, I want all of you to be relaxed. Remember that this is not a semester examination where you do last minute studies and you get marks. So you have to be in a relaxed mode a day before. You should eat lightly. You should take ample of sleep on Saturday. So ideally, I would want that before you go for examination, you have slept for at least 7 to 8 hours. During examination, in fact, I have one more suggestion, that perhaps you can go for a small jog and you can meditate a little bit a day before. I have some suggestion also what you have to do during examination. So I would highly recommend that do not wait for all of the questions you complete and then you are going to fill the OMR sheet. So ideally you can do that after each and every question, but you can also perhaps do that after every 10 question, but definitely do not wait for the last moment. Also always ensure that whatever question you have attempted and you are going to fill the OMR sheet, look at the question number and then fill the OMR sheet properly. During the break, so you have 3-hour break. You have appeared for the paper 1, you have to now appear for the paper 2. During that 3-hour break, do not at all stress about the answer key, what you got right, what you got wrong. If you can take small rest, then very well. You can sit somewhere, you can eat again a very light brunch and give everything in the paper 2 also. Do not take paper 2 lightly. Paper 2 in last few years has become difficult, but it is very important that you do not get stressed about paper 1 and you are not checking answer keys and you are not looking at which questions you have got wrong and which questions you have got right. So take rest, eat light lunch and give everything in paper 2 also. So I again wish you all the best and I will see you guys for mains preparation. Thanks a lot.